For God's sake, let's just start filming. Hello, my name's Gareth Williams, and I am going to start documenting my journey to creating a YouTube channel. I'm a program manager from the UK in the Midlands. I haven't done this much, and what everybody says is if you want to start, just start and don't worry about what comes out, because nobody will be seeing it anyway, which sounds like a pretty good way of starting. So anyway, as I said, I'm a project manager. I work for myself and I live in the Midlands in the UK. I have often thought about looking at this sort of medium for a variety of reasons, but I thought the way I would start doing this would be to actually chart my progress as a standalone series of videos anyway. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go from starting, which is where we are now. I'm going to then document the process by which I work out what this channel is going to be about. I'm going to look at how I test it. I'm going to be using some people who've been here before and been very successful at it, follow some of their recommendations. I'm then going to look at the feasibility of the topic which I've chosen, and then I'm going to start looking at creating the actual content itself. And in the meantime, I'll be filling in with other things like what equipment I'm using, what problems I'm having, what the background for my videos looks like. That's what it looks like currently. It probably won't change much. And I'm going to be talking about basically the nuts and bolts of actually starting a YouTube channel, and the positives and the negatives of it, the difficulties of it, the time period for it, the feasibility of it. The thing which I think is probably most interesting, and probably what might differentiate this from other sites, is you may have spotted I'm not somewhere between 20 and 35 like the vast majority of content creators on YouTube seem to be. I'm past that by a couple of decades minimum. So it's going to be interesting to see what my experience of doing this is compared to people in the sort of the core area. The thing which everybody always says is get your first video done, and then you can refine and start working properly on the actual content itself. So that's what I've done, and this video is now finished. The next video is going to be, what the hell am I going to talk about on a channel in which I'm effectively going to be some kind of talking head. I'll try and can I be a channel which is some kind of talking head, and maybe make it a bit more interesting. Anyway, stick around. Video 2's coming soon, very soon hopefully, and I'll see you then. Thanks, bye.